Okay, in order to create incremental builds, you use the Unity editor's internal player settings by going to Edit, Project Settings, and make sure the player section is highlighted. You'll note three values at the top of this menu every time you open it. That's company name, product name, version, and the icons are also included here. What you'll do is with each major build, so each major component of your burn down chart, you'll build it with a new identifier, say point 2. That way you know, say, oh, we have an error in our latest build, or we have an error in an older build. We can say, oh, well, that was in 10.14.1. So it was in the 10th major release after the initial release, 14th build of that, with the first sub build of that section. So you might have made some small changes, but nothing too major. And you can go back in, open that edition, make the changes to fix whatever error was going on. Then you would make it 10.14.1.2, and then create a new build.